Art time! Welcome back to Art Time for All. Today we're doing Starburst hearts. You're gonna need paper, pencil, and some markers. Start by making a big heart in the center of your paper, and then you're gonna put a dot inside of your heart. From that dot, you're gonna make 12 lines going from the dot to the edge of the paper. We're gonna need 2 colors for this project. Starting with the first one, you're going to color every other area inside of the heart. You color one, you skip one. Color one, skip one. Using that same color on the background, I'm gonna color the opposite segments. So if I left the inside of the heart white on that background, I will color it with my first color. And using the second color, I will fill out all the other spaces. As an optional final step, you can retrace your lines on the drawing. If you are into creative projects, I will leave a list here with many other art classes that you can watch for your students or yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay creative. I'll see you next time.